Let's open our desired folder. Let us locate the header file, which is a file in the MTL format. So open now. One. In this file, we can read all the details of our let's add scene ID, printer ID, IPRS, path and row number, the date acquired, all the details. We can get it everything here. These are the band 1 to 11. Down. See more. There's the sun azimuth and sun elevation. Let's first search for ENVI Classic. Next, let's open it. You can select the number of files as you want to, and then you can load it here. Grayscale first. 4 GB. We can select the bands first. So you can see 3 displays here. Okay, there are 3. When you click in one, it goes. The display shows window. You can just play with this so that you can get familiar with it. So the red box is showing in another box. RGB. We need to select the bands over there. Band. RGB. So here we get the true color. To know about the pixel locator, let's go to the tools and find pixel locator. Here, wherever we click in the whole image, there is a pixel. So at the cross of the red, we can know the details of the picture, the easting, the northing, the units, everything we have to know about the pixels. So this is the water body. We'll know the pixels, the details of the pixels of which wherever we click. If you know a point and then you don't know where it is, then what you can do is you can write the specific number at the sample and the line. In that case, when you write the number and then apply it, it will directly take you to that specific point. So this is the use of pixel locator. Change it to more. You can just try and sample more and more. There are changes in lat long, easting, westing as well. Datum. Okay, after doing this, we can save this file as whichever format we want to. There are many formats. We can save it to our desired format. Now let's learn a little bit about statistics computation. So let's go to basic tools, statistics. and then compute statistics. So among these 4 bands, we can choose any. Choose, for example, B3. We have statistics and also histograms. So whichever we choose, okay, let's select both and then load it. So here's the histogram and the basic statistics. We can get the details of all the statistics here. Okay, let's start from the very beginning. Let's search for ENVI Classic 5.6. As it opens, let's go to File, Open Image, File. Then let's go to our designated folder. So I have my images. So here I can select the TIFF files, whichever I want to. I want to select B1, then B2, 3. But make sure you are pressing the control button when opening it. Now let's open it in RGB or grayscale, whichever you want. So finally I have selected only 3 bands. Every time we are selecting RGB, click at the band, not on the top or map info, but on the band, like that. Yes, we get it properly. Then we can load it properly. Now let's go and load it. Here's the display. Okay, now let's try and load it in pulse color. This is the pulse color as well. So these are different ways of loading an image, or different kind of image, the different kind of layers of an image. Now let's try image cropping. So let's go here and then region of interest. So we need to select the ROI type. Let's get with the rectangle first. Make sure to hit the right click to select your image of interest. File, and then subset data by ROI. That we can select our output file name. So there we choose it. Our designated folder, wherever we want to save this. So I will always save it in my lab output. I'll give it a name. Then will be ROI angle. So here we can see there's new one, ROI underscore rectangle. So let's load it. Okay, this is our new ROI, the one that we cropped from the. Let us try to make an ROI from a freehand, not a rectangular, maybe polygon, a freehand one. Okay, let's draw it here just like this. You can hover the mouse and then just draw around our region of interest the way we want. After it's completed, right click it and it is selected. Go to file and then subset data by ROIs. Same way we did it before. Okay. With all items, yeah. An output. Just like all my other saved files, I would like to put it in my output folder. So I name it ROI underscore polygon. Okay, save it. Now let's load it. Now we get our do it. Okay, let's find our vector file first. So it is in JSL Chongsan. Okay, that's a TIFF file. It's a TIFF one. TIFF first. Load the band. RGB. Okay, this is a big one. Now we need to get the vector file so that we can and then desired area of interest. We now open vector file. So this is our vector file. It's in lab 2 new folder. Selected. Load selected. Select the new vector window. Okay. Yeah, this is our area of interest. This is our vector file. So we will lay it over the raster file. Crop it. That's our desired. So for that, what we need to do is here export layer to ROI. Now let's select our TIFF file. Okay. First one, connect all records of an EPF layer to ROI. Okay. And then basic tools, subset data by ROIs. No, go to basic tools. Let's convert the mask pixel outside of ROI to yes, and then choose an output folder. As always, it's my output, and then give it a name. Underscore JSL. So I need to change it a little bit to view to ROI and then open. Yeah, that's it. Okay. It's done. Now let's open it and then the RGB or yes. So this is our guide just from vector file, raster file. That's it. Done. Thank you very much.